Hello students, welcome to the class. In today's video I am going to explain you the term called unethical process. In this topic I am going to cover the terms like cyberbullying, phishing, hacking and spamming. Okay, now coming to the point directly on the cyberbullying. What is the meaning of cyberbullying? The cyberbullying means to send ill mannered messages to other person. What is meaning of ill manner? मतलब किसी को कुछ उल्टा पुल्टा मैसेज देना, लाइक अब्यूजर्स, उसको डिमोरलाइज करना, ओके, उसको मतलब उसकी फिजिक के बारे में कुछ बोलना, मोटे हो, पतले हो, चश्मे से हो, ये है वो है. दिस काइंड ऑफ वर्ड्स आर कॉल्ड साइबर बुलिंग. Okay, means you have, if you harass in any way to a person, so this type of harassment or the words that harass the person is called the cyberbullying. And if you send these kind of messages through internet, so that term is used as cyberbullying. That means also it includes something like harassment messages, then threatening, abuses, slang languages, and you can say that one, threatening also. Okay, threatening I already covered. So these kind of things are called the cyberbullying. That means through internet, if we used to harass the person, then these kind of act is called the cyberbullying. Okay, that means harass the person by words. Okay, by your words you used to harass the person. So this type of act is called the cyberbullying. Next topic is phishing, and little part of this one is already covered in the previous video. Now in this one I am going to explain it in detail. That means, what is a phishing? Phishing means sending up something which the user think that it is from the trusted source or organization. That means जो भेज रहा है उसको आप वो ऐसा भेजता है कि आपको लगेगा कि वो किसी अच्छी जगह से आया, मीन्स ट्रस्टेड सोर्स से आया, मीन्स हाँ ठीक है ये सही होगा, गलत नहीं होगा. लाइक जियो इज गिविंग फ्री डेटा टू यू, तो आपको क्या लगेगा, नहीं जियो भाई देता रहता है सर फ्री डेटा, तो आपको लगेगा नहीं जियो ने दिया तो लीगल होगा, या you win this much of amount. So this is also a type of phishing. आपको लिंक मिल रहा है and you ask to click on that link to avail something, avail the offer. Idea gives this offer. Okay, XYZ कोई भी ऑफर बता देगा वो आपको. So this kind you are bound to think that this link or these things are coming from the trusted source, and as soon as you click on that link you caught, okay, caught in the net by the hackers or the unauthorized persons. Then slowly it takes your details through that link, and then after they start their processes, yes, the process of theft of your money and start harming you. Okay, so this is called phishing. Just like the fisherman, what the fisherman do while catching the fish, क्या करता है वो डंडे, मैंने पिछले वीडियो में बताया था, डंडे में वो एक वायर होता है, उसको डाल के उसमें कुछ आगे खाने पीने का सामान रख के वो पानी में डालता है, और व्हाट फिश थिंक्स कि यहाँ पे कुछ खाने की चीज़ है. देन जैसे ही मछली आती है वो उसके जाल में फंस जाती है. सो दिस इज द कॉल्ड द फिशिंग. सिमिलरली हम लोग या जो भी पर्सन है वो भी यही कर रहा है, आपको लिंक भेज रहा है और वेट कर रहा है कि आप कब आके उसके जाल में फंसोगे. जैसे ही आप उस लिंक पे क्लिक करते हो इसका मतलब आप जाल में फंस चुके हो. ओके, सो दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड व्हाट, फिशिंग. Like the third one is hacking. Hacking is, the meaning of hacking is to break into some somebody else property. That means without the permission, the owner, if you want to enter, if you enter into the computer system of somebody else, then this process is called hacking. Okay, if I take the book and go to the definition, so what the definition, what the book says, what is the hacking? It says hacking refers to the illegal intrusion into the computer system or a network. Hackers are highly technical people who secretly break into the computer and steal important data or sometimes destroy it. Hackers do not steal important data but also hack the application and website, changes the program logic. Hackers usually tamper with the data and for the unethical process, just for an obsession to break the system security. Although the hacking is done without any consent of the user, yet it is not always destructive. Hacking which is done for the good cause, such as national security, etc., is known as the ethical hacking. So there is a new term called ethical hacking. So okay, so hacking is of two types. The first one is called hacking, and second one is called ethical hacking. So first of all, what is hacking? Hacking means if the person use your data, enter into your computer or network, takes your data or steal your data and start the destructive things to your computer. So this is called hacking. And now what is ethical hacking? Ethical hacking is also a kind of hacking, but it is used for the good purpose. For what is the good purpose? Like in the news only, you used to know कि security डिफेंस सिक्योरिटी ने अलर्ट किया, यहाँ पे हाई अलर्ट किया कि यहाँ पे टेररिस्ट अटैक हो सकता है. हाउ दे गॉट टू नो, कैसे उनको पता चला कि यहाँ पे टेररिस्ट अटैक की प्लानिंग हो रही है? और व्हेन वाइल सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक, हाउ द इंडियन आर्मी केम टू नो दैट at that particular place there is some terrorist resides. कैसे उन्होंने डायरेक्टली वहां पे जाकर अटैक कर दिया? ऐसा तो नहीं है कि मन में आया चलो वहां अटैक करना कर दिया, नहीं, उसके पीछे प्रोसेस हुआ. दे यूज्ड टू हैक देयर नेटवर्क मोबाइल सिस्टम्स. Okay, then they come to know that this much mobile is active in that area. That means उन्होंने क्या किया, वहां का नेटवर्क हैक किया. Okay, so then they came to know that this much amount of terrorists are resides there. Okay, so this hacking, there is also a hacking that we are entering to someone else's area without the permission, someone else's network without the permission. Okay, but it is for the good cause for the national security, देश की सुरक्षा के लिए वो किया गया. तो that is this way, that is ethical hacking, means mannerful hacking. आपने उसको हैक किया, वहाँ से जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन लेनी थी कि हमारे देश को इससे खतरा है, वहाँ पे जाकर उन्होंने बता दिया कि भैया अलर्ट हो जाओ, ऐसा कुछ हो सकता है. ओके, वहाँ पे अटैक नहीं कर रहे, जब वो कुछ प्रोसेस करेंगे तब हम लोग उसको रोक सकते हैं. ओके, सो उनको डिस्ट्रक्ट करने के लिए उस टाइम नहीं किया जब वो अपने कंट्रीज में थे या अपने एरिया में थे. वी आर अलर्ट दैट दिस पर्सन कैन हार्म अस. So this process is called ethical hacking. Now next one is called spamming. Spam means unwanted. Okay, what is the meaning of spam? Meaning of spam is unwanted. And what is unwanted? Like while आपके पास फोन है, फोन पे कभी कभी कंपनी से फोन आना स्टार्ट करते हैं. क्या 140 से स्टार्ट होता है ना, हेलो आपको ये ऑफर मिल रहा है, आपको ये ऑफर मिल रहा है, ये वो XYZ. ओके, सो आप क्या करते हो, सिंपली उस फोन को कट कर देते हो. और इफ यू हैव सम ऐप लाइक Truecaller और एक्सेट्रा, क्या करते हो, यू जस्ट यूज टू ब्लॉक. एंड when these kind of call comes to you, if you have a Truecaller app, then what the Truecaller send the messages along with the number, after the number with the red color written there, this much people reported it as spam. That means these are the unwanted messages. Okay, so this is the spam messaging. Okay, that means unwanted messaging. So if you want, if a person or the company send unwanted messages to you, or not only you, a bulk messages, बहुत सारे messages आ रहे हैं, that is like advertisement or XYZ कुछ भी आ रहा है, ठीक है, that is called spam messaging. Okay, so how to check that this is a spam message? So first of all, it does not contain your email address in to or CC. Okay, so what is to and CC? That means when you use the email address, so you email, while sending the email you have to mention the address of the recipient. Okay, when these kind of spam message does not contain your email ID as the recipient or in the CC group. Okay, so this is the major technique to find out it is a spam message. So we can avoid or neglect these kind of messages if there is no my addresses in email to section. Okay, so these all are the processes of illegal hacking. There is one more process called plagiarism. It is there in the book. That means if you used to say that someone else work as yours, आप लोग क्या करते हो? आपने होमवर्क नहीं किया, क्या किया, दूसरे कॉपी ली, उसके ऊपर इरेजर से अपना नाम दूसरे फ्रेंड का नाम मिटाया और उसके ऊपर अपना नाम लिख के दे दिया. बहुत बार किया तुम लोगों ने. ओके, सो दिस इज दूसरे का वर्क है, उसको अपना बता के आपने फॉरवर्ड कर दिया या चेक करा लिया टीचर से. ओके, सो दिस इज ऑल्सो अ illegal process and this is also called unethical process. Same as in the internet, किस दूसरे का वर्क को अपने नाम के साथ यूज करना, that is the unethical process, that is called plagiarism. Okay, so go through these all things are there in your book. Just go through the topic in your book. Also there are something mentioned there in the book that how to prevent these things, that is cyberbullying, phishing, hacking, spamming and plagiarism. All these things are how to prevent these things are given there. Follow the steps, just go through the points. Okay, and in this video I am going to stop the topic here. So we will meet in the next video with a new topic. Till then, thank you and have a nice day. Take care of yourself. Thank you.